This Ingersoll Rand Edge Series Impact Wrench and Ratchet Kit includes this air impact wrench and the air ratchet wrench, along with a 5-piece socket set and blow-molded storage case that makes carrying the toolset easy. The impact wrench's 6-vane motor yields an optimal power-to-weight ratio, while the ratchet wrench's motor delivers 55 feet-pounds of torque and 170 RPM of free speed. Both tools sport an ergonomic design for greater comfort. Additional impact wrench features include an exclusive twin hammer impact mechanism and variable speed trigger. The 3/8 inch drive air ratchet wrench has an easy-to-use forward and reverses power regulator, and its heat-treated ratchet head ensures long-lasting use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful, yet durable. The exclusive twin hammer impact mechanism delivers a balanced blow, while its powerful 6-vane motor is durable and tough enough to complete the task at hand, featuring 500 ft-lbs of max reverse torque. This air impact wrench is great to have around the garage, on the farm, or for any task requiring quick removal of fasteners. Number 2. Ergonomically designed. The Ingersoll Rand air impact wrench and air ratchet wrench each feature an ergonomic design that delivers exceptional torque accuracy along with increased productivity and safety. The tool's contoured grip offers greater comfort while you're working. Number 3. Lightweight, yet sturdy. At only 2.6 pounds, the Ingersoll Rand air ratchet wrench is exceptionally rugged and compact. The wrench sports a 3/8 inch drive and an exclusive twin pole plus ratchet head that's been heat-treated for longer life. The tool's powerful motor delivers 55 feet-pounds of torque and 170 RPM of free speed for optimal performance. Number 4. Ergonomic designs. Both wrenches have an ergonomic design that delivers exceptional torque accuracy with increased productivity and safety. The tool's contoured grip offers greater comfort while working. Number 5. Air impact wrench. Like all of Ingersoll Rand's Edge series impact tools, this air impact wrench is rugged, compact, and lightweight. The air impact wrench is equipped with an exclusive twin hammer impact mechanism, and thanks to a 6-vane motor, the tool offers an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. Other highlights include a variable speed trigger, a handle exhaust, and a forward, reverse power regulator. The wrench measures 7.3 inches long and weighs 5.8 pounds, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.